Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Broski. Today in this video I just want to show you how to recover the files which is deleted permanently from your Windows PC. So if you just want to do that, you have to follow my video instruction. First of all, I just want to open up my USB card. So you can see I have a photo. I just want to delete this permanently from my SD card and I just want to recover it here on this video, and it's very easy. So when I just click over here to delete it and I just click on yes, you can see it will be clear from my USB card and recycle bin is completely empty. So how to recover is very easy. You have to install this iMyFone debug for Windows. You can find out the link just here on my video description below. Then after that, click on recover now. You can choose any drive you just want to recover. For example, that photo was in USB drive and I just click on it. It's just stored. It's recovering the deleted files, and now you can see I got a lot of files here. So we're gonna wait for a few seconds and it's going to be done. Then we're gonna check for the result. As you can see, we got 809 files just recovered here with this tool, and this is super cool, only from a USB card. I'm just going to recover only the photos I got here from USB card. So when I click on photos and just recover to my PC, when I click over, I'm going to choose a folder here from my PC. So when I click on select a folder, my file will be recovered here on my Windows PC. So here you can see I'm just going to open the folders to check that photo we deleted here on this video. So you can see we got 4 folders. When I'm back here on the GPG, so you can see I got the photo I just deleted from my Windows PC here on this video. This is all about how to recover your deleted files. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next week. So videos. Bye bye my friends. Peace.